You got the boiler off, right? Alright, so we got the feeder coming in here. We'll shut that off. So a couple of things it could be. It could be this feeder. Could be the tankless that's leaking with a hole in it. Or it could be this expansion tank. Looks like I might have put that in there, did I?
No.
No?
That got put in a long time ago. This switches this off too, right? The furnace?
Yeah,
Just
shut
be on
it
the safe
off.
side. Yeah.
Alright, let's open it. We'll drain it. Drain the pressure off it. And we'll check the tank. This thing don't look like it's leaking much. Maybe a little dribble. You might just have to change that. Yeah, it definitely drained out. It had 20 pounds in there before. You sure I didn't put this tank in?
Yep.
Who did?
I don't know. I think I had you over here for was this thing, this pressure relief valve here, whatever this is.
Yeah, we got 13 pounds, so that's good. That's fine. That's what we're supposed to have for pressure. It's probably just that relief valve's bad. Let's change that.
Yep.
That's the most common thing, okay?
Yep.
And then we'll refill it. I'll probably take care of it. Is there antifreeze in the system, or you're not sure?
No.
There is none.
No, that's all.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a rubber in there. Sometimes it gets mucky, right?
Yeah.
Let's just change that.
There was a tag on it. It's kind of burnt out.
Change the relief valve. We'll try it. See what happens. This looks like something I would have did. Most guys would put an male adapter in an elbow, and then you got to unsweat it, right?
Yeah.
So I usually. It could just be that this thing's leaking. I mean, it's possible. Not like it's a big leak.
No, it's just occasional drip. I think that's about it. But the fucking home
You can't have it.
No.
I mean, it's doing its job, right?
Yeah.
Well, I could go just straight down with it. That'd be the best way. Let's go put the thing, go straight down with it. Well, straight out the bottom with it. Hopefully it comes off. I don't know. He did shut the thing off. Get it ready. Just some juice in there. Yeah, the problem is, you know, you're up here and you collect all kinds of shit, and then you want to move down south, and you get all kinds of shit collected, and you got to get rid of it all. And
That's my biggest problem.
are you running into that?
Well, look at all the shit down here I got to get rid of.
I mean, you should see the stuff I got. Fucking crazy.
I told my wife, I said, call a freaking Salvation Army or something. Let them come get the shit.
Just get rid of it.
Yeah.
And it's probably not worth anything, right?
No.
Fucking.
What are you gonna get for it? 20 bucks you put it up for a fucking yard sale?
Yeah, it's not a lot of money, so. Just get rid of the shit. Go in the flipping dumpsters or Salvation Army. Get a flipping dumpster and just throw the shit out, huh?
Yeah.
Be done with it in a day. $40 years of accumulation, right?
Well, in this house it's been about 17. What? It's still. Don't take long to accumulate a lot of shit.
Most likely it's just this valve. It's possible that it's the feeder that keeps feeding, it's not shutting off.
Yeah.
But I didn't see a lot of water. It was a tiny little puddle there on the ground. So
Yeah.
most likely it was just that rubber in there was leaking a little bit.
Yeah.
It could be the tankless, but I don't think so. I'm gonna cut this down a little bit. We got a little riser on there. Cut that
Cut that shitty stuff
cut
off
that
the bottom.
shit end off of there
Yeah.
so you don't see it.
Yep.
These inspectors, you know, they're looking for problems.
Oh yeah. Well, that's what they get paid for.
Now, when this thing runs, it shouldn't go above 20 on that gauge.
On the bottom one?
Yeah, the bottom one.
Yeah.
They're not always accurate, but it shouldn't go above, when it's heating, it shouldn't go above 20. If it gets to 30, if it's accurate, this thing's gonna blow. Because this is set for 30.
Yeah.
Save the boiler. It's not designed to have a lot of pressure in it, right?
Yeah.
You know how to bleed the radiators upstairs,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
I'm gonna turn the water back on and we'll, if there's any air, it'll go accumulate upstairs. The feeder's even working, it looks like it's stuck. Oh, great. Building pressure? Nope.
That's off that valve, right?
Well, it has nothing to do with that.
Oh.
I got that off already. Could be this is all full of shit. It's not even filling. Ain't that the truth?
Oh, it just stopped.
Huh?
It's got pressure coming up.
Oh, okay. It's going up.
Yep.
Give it a little time. Yeah, so it is filling. I can feel it's cold. Just taking a little time.
Yeah.
Everything's quiet in this house. Well, your wife, is she quiet too?
No.
No, she's not quiet.
You can hear her coming a mile away. You want me to go bleed the radiators, Steve, or?
Give it a minute. Yeah.
All right.
Everything's quiet here.
Does the furnace need to be running to have to bleed them, or does it? No.
Why don't you turn on the power?
All right.
Yeah, this thing's flipping crusty as hell, but no, pressure's coming back up, so we're good. Right around 20, that's what we would need to be. Away the oil valve. This thing, so you've been having this thing serviced, yeah?
Yeah.
Right along.
Service every year.
Yeah, she's fired up nice. Alright, so this thing should stay about 20. The expansion tank's good.
Yeah.
I don't know what the situation with the feed is. Probably okay. This tankless, it's possible that it's got a leak in it, but I don't think so because I don't see any water on the floor.
I just see a lot
Let's
of
just go with that.
Yeah.
New relief valve, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird that it shut off like that. It shouldn't have. It shut off unless it was on the low limit. Yeah, it must have been on a low limit.
Yeah.
And then now it's running for heat. You're gonna bleed it upstairs.
Yeah.
I don't have any leaks. Just check and make sure I ain't got no leaks, you know?
Yeah.
It's probably just the relief valve was bad. I'll leave a tag. Replace boiler relief valve. Expansion tank pressure was good. We're holding at 20. So that should be fine. I mean, if that goes up to 30, the relief valve will blow, but what is this? We don't want any leaks. You're gonna be alright. Well, let's let it ride and see what happens, okay?
All right.